Baking soda life hacks. 29 baking soda tricks and uses you must know. This white powder will make your life better. With it, you can cook many delicious dishes, get rid of diseases, become more beautiful, and also easily and quickly restore cleanliness in the house. In this video, we will talk about baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, which costs few pence and is non-toxic and is not tested on animals. 29 baking soda tips and how to use baking soda. Cooking hacks. Eggs easier to peel. To make the eggs much easier to peel, add a teaspoon of baking soda to the cooking water. Then simply boil your eggs like you normally would. Cooking beans. Cooking beans, as you know, takes a lot of time. However, adding baking soda to the soak water of dried beans before cooking, about 1/16 teaspoon per quart, will help speed up the process. Also, adding baking soda to soaking beans will reduce gas. Fluffy omelette. Make a fluffier omelette with baking soda. For every 3 eggs used, add a half teaspoon baking soda. Fruits and vegetables. If you want the filling for pies not to be very acidic, you can add a little soda to berries or fruits. Also, when cooking jam, a small amount of soda will remove excess acid, and much less sugar can be added. A mix of soda and water, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 2 cups of water, is recommended to wash vegetables and fruits before eating. This will sanitize them and even remove some invisible pesticide. Baking soda to tenderize meat. Rub the meat with baking soda. Store in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 hours. Rinse the meat thoroughly with fresh water to remove excess baking soda before cooking. Tea and coffee. If you add a pinch of baking soda to tea or coffee, the drink will become more aromatic. Just do not overdo it, so that sodium bicarbonate does not add its own flavor notes, then it will become unpleasant to drink. Yeast substitute. Pancakes, buns and other pastries, easy to find delicious recipes, rarely do without the use of soda. It is usually used in a yeast-free dough to make it more fluffy and soft. Baking soda is used in recipes to promote leavening. If you have some powdered vitamin C or citric acid and bicarbonate of soda on hand, you can use a mix of the two alternatively. Just mix in equal parts to equal the amount of yeast needed. Note: baking soda is not recommended for people who have high blood pressure and low sodium diets. Baking soda health benefits. Relieve a sore throat. Rinsing the throat and mouth with a baking soda solution helps to speed up the healing process for tonsillitis, pharyngitis and a strong cough. Soda acts as an anesthetic and also prevents the development of pathogenic bacteria, disinfecting the surface of the mucosa. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a half teaspoon of sea salt to 1 cup of warm water. Gargle with this mixture every 2-3 hours. Toothache. A mix of baking soda and water is used to disinfect teeth and gums if you have toothaches. It's also excellent for removing plaque. Make a mouthwash by dissolving a half tablespoon of baking soda with a half cup of water and a pinch of salt, and use this liquid as a mouth rinse. Hold and swish in your mouth for 3 to 5 minutes. Spit out and rinse your mouth. Heartburn Remedy. A teaspoon of soda in a glass of water will help neutralize the acid in the stomach, which causes heartburn. Stir until totally dilute, then drink. This remedy shouldn't be used by anyone on a sodium-restricted diet. Baking soda for sunburn. Baking soda works for burns, wind burns and other minor burns because it can help balance the pH levels in your skin. Mix 4 tablespoons baking soda in 1 quart of water to form a paste and gently apply that directly to the area. And leave it on for around 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off completely with cool water. Mouthwash. You can use baking soda as a replacement for mouthwash. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda in a half glass of water. Swish as usual for 20 to 45 seconds before spitting it out. Research has shown that baking soda can effectively kill bacteria in the mouth and reduce bad breath. Bee stings. Make a paste of 1 teaspoon baking soda mixed with several drops of water. Apply it directly to the sting and let it dry. This will help reduce the swelling from the bee sting, as well as ease the pain. Leave it there for 5 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. Warning: many people have severe allergic reactions to bee stings. If you have difficulty breathing or notice a dramatic swelling, see a doctor as soon as possible. Beauty tips using baking soda as a deodorant. In order not to use popular deodorants, the dangers of which everyone is talking about, many people are looking for natural alternatives in the store, either refuse them completely or prepare deodorants on their own. One option is to use soda. It disinfects the skin of the armpits and legs and helps eliminate bad smell. Wash your underarms with soap and water before applying bicarbonate of soda, then dry your underarms with a towel. Dust baking soda under each arm as needed, about a teaspoon. One application should last for an entire day. Teeth whitening. Baking soda instead of toothpaste can remove plaque and bleach enamel. Just dip your wet toothbrush in some baking soda and brush and rinse as usual. However, this procedure is not recommended for people who have problems with their teeth, and healthy people also should not misuse it. Instead of shampoo. Soda also found its application as a hair wash. It can leave hair squeaky clean, shiny, and soft. To make the shampoo, add 1 tablespoon baking soda to 1 cup water. Squirt the shampoo your hairs with your fingers and rub the scalp in a circular motion, adding more shampoo if needed, and rinse very thoroughly. However, it is more suitable for those whose hair is prone to be greasy. For other types of hair, it is better to choose a different natural shampoo. Baking soda dries the hair. Gentle hand cleaner. Make a paste using 3 tablespoons of baking soda mixed with 1 tablespoon water. Mix thoroughly and scrub and rinse clean. This also removes fish or garlic smells from hands. Gentle facial scrub. Bicarbonate of soda is a perfect exfoliant and stain remover. It is as well great at clearing up the dead skin cells and pores. Make a paste by combining 3 parts baking soda to 1 part warm water. Apply this mix in your face softly in a circular motion and scrub your face for 1 or 2 minutes. Avoid leaving the scrub on your skin for longer and rinse well with water. Don't do it excessively as you may risk getting skin irritation, and avoid the sensible areas close to the eyes and mouth. This also prevents acne by keeping your pores clean and sealed. Corns and calluses. It is recommended to take warm baths with soda. Such a procedure, when performed regularly, a couple of times a week, will get rid of corns and coarsened areas of the skin. As well, you can make a paste by combining 6 parts baking soda to 1 part warm water and 1 part lime juice. Apply this paste to calloused areas and cover with a bandage and let sit all night. Wash the mixture off in the morning. Repeat this application every night until the callus is gone. Baking soda cleaning hacks and tips. Toothbrush sanitizing rinse. It is important to disinfect your toothbrush regularly. To do that, dissolve 2 teaspoons of baking soda in a cup of water and let the toothbrush soak overnight. Rinse well before using. Repeat the process every week. Clean toilet. To clean the drain of the toilet, you need to sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda into the toilet and pour it with 1 cup of household vinegar. Put the lid down and let the mix work for 30 to 45 minutes. Then lift the lid and scrub the bowl with a toilet brush. Flush the toilet when the bowl is clean. Repeat the process every week. Get rid of unpleasant odors. Soda can eliminate odors. For example, if you pour a couple of tablespoons of soda into a container and put it in a refrigerator, toilet, shoe cabinet or car interior, the unpleasant aroma will disappear, it will absorb it. Soda can also be poured into the kitchen sink if it does not smell as good as it should smell. Repeat the process from time to time. Unclog your shower head. When mineral deposit buildup is messing with your flow, mix a solution of 1/4 cup baking soda and 1 cup vinegar and pour it into a sandwich plastic bag. Put the plastic bag around the shower head so the holes are immersed in the liquid and loosely fasten the bag with adhesive tape or a twist tie. Leave the bag on the shower head for about an hour. Remove the bag and wipe away loosened deposits. Run the shower on hot for a minute or so to flush. For the shine of the jewelry, if you wipe the faded jewelry and other silverware with a sponge and soda, they will sparkle again. Take a clean, soft sponge, then sprinkle a little bicarbonate on it. Rub the jewelry gently and rinse with clear water. Finally, use a very soft cloth to polish your jewelry. Do not use this technique with jewelry containing pearls, opal or any gemstone. Washing windows and mirrors. To keep the mirrors clean and the windows transparent, combine a half glass white vinegar with 2 glass water and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Then add 2 to 3 drops Dawn dish soap in an empty spray bottle and mix all well. Spray your window with the mixture and clean and dry with any microfiber cloths or paper towels. This solution will remove spots and stains. To clean and freshen up the carpet, baking soda will replace carpet cleaner. To do this, baking soda must be applied to the carpet in an even layer and rubbed with a dry sponge. And vacuumed after 2 hours or longer if possible. The carpet will become more fresh as soda absorbs odors. Cleaning the refrigerator. Wash the inside of the fridge using a mixture of 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 quart hot water. Rinse with a damp cloth, then dry with a clean towel. This will clean as well and help to get rid of unpleasant odors. To clean burnt pans. Put water in your pan, just enough to cover the burnt, place the pan on the stove, and switch the heat up to high to bring the water to boil. Then take the pan off the heat and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and let sit for 1 hour. After the 60 minutes, rinse and hand wash the pan. Washing dishes. Soda will return the original appearance to porcelain, enamel dishes, glasses, vases. Also, soda will remove tea and coffee dirt from glasses and cups. Just add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and your regular dish soap to the dishwater. Just think how much in your life soda can replace. And this is not only significant savings, but also the opportunity to take care of your health and the environment. There is no longer a need to buy cleaning products in plastic bottles, which are not only unnatural but also tested on animals. Soda is usually supplied to store shelves in paper packaging. It is safe for humans and the environment.